Most dietitians don't lose time in appointments. They lose it before and after the appointment. Meal plans, handouts, follow-up emails, intake paperwork. Hours disappear every week doing work that clients never even see. Claude AI changes that. The biggest win? Meal plans. Instead of building every plan from scratch, dietitians are giving Claude the restrictions, goals, and preferences, and getting a complete first draft in under a minute. Low sodium, lactose-free, anti-inflammatory, busy schedule. Claude handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on the clinical decisions that actually matter. Next comes patient education. Explaining glycemic index, reading food labels, managing portion sizes. Writing those handouts takes time. Claude can create a plain English draft almost instantly. You review it, adjust it, put it on your letterhead. Done. Then there's follow-up communication. Those 5-minute emails don't feel like much until you've written 20 of them this week. Paste in a few notes from the session. Claude writes the first draft. You personalize it. 5 minutes becomes 30 seconds. Marketing is another hidden time drain. Most dietitians know they should be posting online. Most don't have the energy after seeing clients all day. Claude can turn your expertise into newsletters, social posts, FAQs, and educational content without staring at a blank screen. And finally, intake paperwork. Goal worksheets, food journals, client questionnaires. Instead of rebuilding these from scratch every few years, Claude gives you a professional draft you can customize for your own practice. Claude isn't replacing dietitians, it's replacing repetitive writing. The expertise still comes from you. Claude just helps your expertise move faster. If you're a dietitian who's been curious about AI, this might be the easiest place to start. Subscribe for daily Claude AI tips and real-world workflows.